Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel guys. Today friends we are going to talk about guys Lava Mobile setting guys, and today friends I am going to show you guys Lava Mobile guys accessibility setting, and today video title guys how to use Talkback in Lava Mobile. Friends, we want to use Lava Mobile phone Talkback. So how to use Talkback one by one, step by step friends we will talk about. So before starting video friends, first of all go and subscribe the channel, click the bell icon, like the video guys. Friends, open your Lava Mobile phone setting to use Talkback. After on phone setting, friends scroll it, and friends you can see this type interface in your Lava mobile. Friends click here intelligent assistant setting. After on friends intelligent assistant setting, friends you can see this type interface in your device. So when scroll, last option friends you can see accessibility setting, click here. Select to speak setting, talkback setting. Friends you want to use select to speak, you can use select to speak, you can use it. Friends click here talkback, use talkback, and when scroll allow option, then talkback will on your device, and friends you can use talkback with two finger. One finger friends you cannot use Lava mobile phone talkback. So when one tap, double tap, one tap, double tap you can use, and friends you want to use your screen with two finger you can use. One finger friends you cannot swipe, you cannot scroll, and friends recent tap you want to close. So friends one tap, double tap continue, use two finger you can close recent tab, one finger you cannot close recent tab. So like that friends we can use talkback setting with two finger. So a talkback is a person who is blind, they use talkback because they cannot see, so they use talkback with sound. Friends you can see when I will click any app, friends you can see Instagram. So friends double click and Instagram on. So like that friends we can use talkback setting. And friends you don't want to use talkback setting, so friends open your phone setting, and friends if you one tap you cannot on your Lava mobile phone setting. Friends you will have to double tap, then friends your phone setting will on. Double tap here, phone setting on. Friends click here Wi-Fi setting, and friends use your two finger because friends if you use one finger you cannot scroll your screen with properly. Friends use your two fingers, scroll. Assistant setting one tap. Friends double tap here. Again scroll friends two finger, with two finger. Last option accessibility setting one tap, double tap. Select to speak setting, talkback setting, double tap. Use talkback one tap, double tap. Stop button, double tap. Friends talkback off. After of talkback friends you can use your Lava mobile with one finger. You can tap any phone setting, you can tap any icon. Direct friends you can on it. So like that friends we can use Talkback full setting in Lava mobile. So bye friends, thanks for watching the video guys. Friends, now do you have any doubt you can ask me in comment section. I will check, I will help you. Bye friends.